Little storyteller.
The sun was shining brightly on Sunnytown. Lily, a girl with bright red boots and a giggle like wind chimes, was playing with her fluffy white bunny, Snowball. Snowball loved to nibble clover in the park, with its sparkly green grass. Suddenly, Lily felt a little lighter. Snowball floated a tiny bit above the grass as he took a bite of a clover. Then, a voice on the town loudspeaker said, "Get ready, Sunnytown. Gravity is taking a little rest." Lily giggled as she gently bounced higher and higher. Snowball, with his fluffy tail wagging, bounced right along with her. Dogs with wagging tails floated like balloons, and the town's friendly baker, Mr. Bun, with his big white apron, bounced past, holding a tray of blueberry muffins that wobbled in the air. Everyone in Sunnytown was laughing and bouncing. They looked like colorful candies floating in a giant bowl. Even Mrs. Gable, who usually walked very slowly with her sparkly cane, was bouncing gently with a big smile. Soon, the voice on the loudspeaker said, "Gravity is coming back now, Sunnytown." Slowly, gently, everyone floated back down to the ground. Lily landed softly on her bright red boots, and Snowball landed with a little thump on the green grass. Everyone was still smiling and talking about their bouncy adventure. Lily hugged Snowball. "That was so much fun," she said. Mrs. Gable chuckled and said, "It's good to remember that even when things feel light and floaty, it's nice to have our feet on the ground, especially when we help each other stay steady." Lily learned that sometimes, a little bit of bouncing fun can make everyday life feel even more special.
Please subscribe. Thank you.